visitor. We have a visitor. Please welcome. Please welcome. Can you please enter the room, sir? Happy anniversary! Hey!
Happy anniversary!
Wow, happy. It's okay. We are having a Facebook Live. Can you please say hi to the camera? Oh, yes.
It's Idol.
Idol what?
Idol.
We are mukha lang Jericho Rosales, pero ano yan, Ka Tunying yan. Wow!
Kaganda pala na studio dito.
Yes!
This is the first time that I'm able to get inside.
Yes. We are speaking English because today we are having an English-only challenge.
Really? I'm going out.
No. With you, it's you're exempted.
Thank you.
Happy anniversary, Ka Tunying.
Thank you.
Enjoy your breakfast. Thank you for visiting.
Idol.
Bye-bye.
Idol ko to eh.
Sayang, ang bilis. Ang bilis naman.
Idol ko yan eh.
Idol mo ba yan?